Okay, so today we're going to be working on multiplying two binomials together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two methods here. The first method is going to be using a rectangle diagram. So the first set of binomials we're going to expand is c plus 3 and c minus 7. Okay, so we're going to use this by first drawing our rectangle. And on one side we're going to have on the top c plus 3. Then down here we're going to have c minus 7. Okay, so then we're going to break this off into chunks. So we'll just change our color here. We know that c times c is c squared. And if we have c times negative 7, because remember there's a negative in front of there, you're going to get negative 7c. And up here we're going to do 3 times c, which is going to give us 3c. And then we're going to do negative 7 times positive 3, which is going to give us negative 21. Now all we're going to do is pull out all those terms. We're going to have c squared plus 3c minus 7c minus 21. Now we're not done yet. Remember, we need to smush our like terms together. So if we have 3c minus 7c, that's going to give us negative 4c. So our final product is c squared minus 4c minus 21. Okay, so now we're just going to scroll down here a little bit, and we're going to do our second example using my favorite method, which is FOIL. Okay, so what we're going to do for this example, we're going to change the order of things around a little bit, and we're going to do 5 minus s and 9 minus s. Okay, so remember with FOIL, that means that we're going to do our first terms. Okay, so our first terms are going to be 5 times 9, which is going to give us 45. Then we're going to do our outer terms, which is 5 times negative s, which is going to give us negative 5s. Now we're going to do our inner term here, right there, which is going to be negative s times 9. So we're going to get negative 9s. And we're going to do our last terms, which is going to be s times negative s, which is going to give us positive s squared. Okay, so remember, we still got to smush these two like terms together. So negative 5s and negative 9s is going to give us negative 14s. So our final form here is going to be 45 minus 14s plus s squared. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helps.